Lesson: Using templates and precedents. Utilizing templates and precedents in contract drafting is an indispensable practice that enhances efficiency, consistency, and accuracy. Contract law specialists benefit significantly from leveraging these tools as they streamline the drafting process and mitigate risks associated with human error. The strategic use of templates and precedents involves understanding their structure, customizing them to fit specific needs, and ensuring they comply with current legal standards and client requirements. Templates serve as foundational documents that provide a basic structure and language for drafting contracts. They are pre-formulated documents that include standard clauses and provisions commonly used in specific types of contracts. These templates save time by eliminating the need to draft contracts from scratch every time, allowing legal professionals to focus on tailoring the agreement to the specific circumstances of each transaction. The use of templates is prevalent in industries with repetitive transactions, such as real estate, employment, and supply agreements, where consistency and efficiency are paramount. A critical aspect of using templates effectively is understanding their inherent limitations. Templates are not one-size-fits-all solutions. They require customization to ensure that they address the unique elements of each contractual relationship. Failing to adapt a template to the specific needs of a contract can lead to significant legal risks and liabilities. For example, a template for a service agreement may include standard clauses regarding payment terms and confidentiality, but it might not address specific issues like intellectual property rights or jurisdictional matters relevant to the particular transaction at hand. Precedents, on the other hand, are previously drafted contracts that have been used in similar situations. They provide a practical reference point for drafting new agreements. Precedents are valuable because they often reflect negotiated terms and conditions that have been tested in real-world scenarios. By analyzing precedents, contract law specialists can identify successful strategies and potential pitfalls in contract drafting. Moreover, precedents can serve as a benchmark for evaluating the fairness and reasonableness of proposed contractual terms. The application of templates and precedents demands a meticulous approach to ensure their effectiveness. One practical tool in this regard is the Template Audit Checklist, which guides legal professionals through a systematic review of templates to identify necessary modifications. This checklist includes verifying compliance with current laws, ensuring the inclusion of all relevant clauses, and customizing the language to reflect the parties' intentions accurately. For instance, a template audit might reveal that a confidentiality clause needs to be updated to comply with new data protection regulations. Additionally, the Precedent Analysis Framework is a valuable tool for evaluating and adapting precedents. This framework involves assessing the legal and commercial context of the precedent, identifying key negotiated terms, and determining their applicability to the new contract. By systematically applying this framework, contract law specialists can derive actionable insights from precedents, ensuring that new contracts are both legally sound and commercially viable. Key case study illustrating the effectiveness of using templates and precedents is the merger agreement between two multinational corporations. By utilizing a precedent from a previous merger involving similar industries, the legal team was able to expedite the drafting process significantly. The precedent provided insights into industry-specific clauses that were critical to the transaction's success. Additionally, the team employed a template for the non-disclosure agreement, customizing it to address specific concerns related to intellectual property and employee confidentiality. This strategic use of templates and precedents not only saved time, but also reduced the risk of overlooking critical contractual elements. Statistics underscore the efficiency gained through the use of templates and precedents. A study published in the Journal of Contract Management found that organizations using standardized templates experienced a 30% reduction in contract drafting time and a 20% decrease in errors and omissions. These findings highlight the tangible benefits of incorporating templates and precedents into the contract drafting process. However, the effective use of templates and precedents also requires vigilance to avoid potential pitfalls. One common challenge is the over-reliance on outdated templates that may no longer comply with current legal standards. Regularly updating templates to reflect changes in laws and industry practices is crucial. Additionally, legal professionals must remain cognizant of the risk of perpetuating unfavorable terms found in precedents. Blindly following precedents without critically assessing their relevance can lead to agreements that do not fully protect their clients' interests. To address these challenges, legal departments often establish template and precedent management systems. These systems are designed to facilitate the continuous review and updating of templates and precedents. They incorporate features such as version control, automated alerts for legal updates, and collaborative tools that allow multiple stakeholders to contribute to the refinement of these documents. For example, a legal team may use a cloud-based management system that enables real-time collaboration and ensures that all team members have access to the most current templates and precedents. In conclusion, using templates and precedents in contract drafting is a strategic approach that enhances efficiency, consistency, and accuracy. By understanding the structure and limitations of templates, customizing them to meet specific needs, and leveraging precedents as practical reference points, legal professionals can draft contracts that are both legally sound and commercially viable. Practical tools such as the template audit checklist and the precedent analysis framework provide actionable insights for effectively utilizing these resources. Case studies and statistics further demonstrate the efficiency and risk mitigation achieved through the use of templates and precedents. However, the successful implementation of these tools requires vigilance, continuous updating, and critical analysis to ensure compliance with current legal standards and alignment with clients' interests. The establishment of template and precedent management systems further supports the effective use of these resources, fostering collaboration and ensuring that legal professionals have access to the most current and relevant documents. As contract law specialists continue to navigate the complexities of contract drafting, the strategic use of templates and precedents remains an invaluable practice that enhances proficiency and reduces risks.